you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I am cleaning several areas downstairs as we have some family and friends coming over for New Year's Eve, and so we're just trying to get it all ready. My husband is actually going to be cleaning the kitchen and several areas as well, and then my kids are working on the playroom, but you will see them throughout this video.
The one you needed was someone else. I sat there waiting for you to change. Then I realized you're not the one for me. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces.
For those of you that are new here, my name is Tiffany and I am married to Jared, and we have a full house. We just had our 5th child. He is now 5 months old, and then we also have a dog named Blitzy, a cat named Mickey, and then we just got 2 guinea pigs, one named Shimmer and one is Oreo. And so our house is chaos all the time, but we absolutely love it.
Yeah, they still linger, still hurt a bit. Might hurt forever, yeah, that's what they say. But I know I'll never will face that day. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one.
Do you guys have any New Year's Eve plans or traditions that you guys do? I have done pretty much the same thing since I was 16. I moved to California when I was 16, and I met my friend Jenna, and she had just moved to this area as well around the same time as me, and so that just bonded us, and we had spent pretty much every New Year's Eve together since then. And it just so happens that our husbands are actually childhood best friends, so we just have carried that tradition along. They moved to Southern California for a while, so we would go down and visit them there, and then they moved back up here, and so he's a firefighter, so our plans aren't always on New Year's Eve. It just depends on the closest date that he is off, but we all get together. And now my brother-in-law and sister-in-law come as well. Is my husband's brother, so they all grew up together and have been close friends their whole life. And so it's just been so much fun carrying on the tradition and raising our kids to know each other, and we just absolutely love it.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers, don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers, don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know
This is Daxton, our 5-month-old's little setup. So this is his playpen, and we just got a bunch of toys for Christmas, so we put those in here. But we just keep the playpen downstairs since we have so many animals and children running around. We just feel like it's the safest and cleanest area for him, and it gets a little chaotic, so I like to pick it up every now and then.
It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along.
I know I've said this before, but this is an area that I just feel like I am cleaning the exact same mess up every single day. My kids love to bring out their pillows and blankets in the morning and watch TV when they first wake up, and so I just feel like I'm cleaning the same stuff all the time. I don't know if anybody else has that, but I absolutely love it, but it's something that I just feel like I'm on repeat.
I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse.
I noticed that our pillows have some food stains on them, so I was going to take them to the laundry room so I could wash them before all of our company get here. I don't know if anybody else's pillows are always dirty, but I just feel like white was probably a bad idea.
Kids who left get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in a tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
She's putting all
So I noticed that we had some food crumbs on the couch, so I got our vacuum attachment that goes on the couch, and I'm picking that up, and then there was some more spots, so I actually use baby wipes to clean it up. I'll show you a couple of the spots in a clip coming up.
She's just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go.
Alright, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and like the video, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And also, I put a little clip afterwards of what happens as soon as I'm done cleaning a room for your guys' enjoyment.
You got in the end, but she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space.